Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Car Look. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota RAV4 pickup. This new model is set to make waves in the midsize pickup market by combining the beloved features of the RAV4 SUV with the functionality of a pickup truck. Let's get into what makes this vehicle so special. The exterior design of the 2025 RAV4 pickup is both bold and practical. It features the same aggressive front end as the RAV4 SUV with a large blacked out grille and sharp LED headlights. The lines of the body are sleek yet rugged, seamlessly integrating the pickup bed with the cabin. This design ensures that the vehicle not only looks great, but is also highly functional. Under the hood, the RAV4 pickup offers several powertrain options. The standard model comes with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that delivers 203 horsepower, perfect for everyday driving and light-duty tasks. For those who need a bit more power and efficiency, there's a hybrid option. This model pairs a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors to produce a combined 219 horsepower. Both versions come with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. Off-road enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the RAV4 pickup is equipped with Toyota's advanced AWD system. This system includes multiple terrain modes and dynamic torque vectoring, allowing the vehicle to handle a variety of surfaces with ease. Whether you're driving through city streets or tackling off-road trails, this pickup is built to perform. Inside the cabin, the RAV4 pickup offers a spacious and well-designed interior. High-quality materials are used throughout, and the layout is driver-focused, making it easy to access all controls. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and a comprehensive suite of safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 pickup is a versatile and capable vehicle that blends the comfort and efficiency of the RAV4 SUV with the practicality of a pickup truck. It's perfect for adventurers, daily commuters, and anyone in need of a reliable workhorse. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Toyota RAV4 pickup. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.